Hey everyone, your own is Smith Deepak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning about resource allocation graph. So by the name itself, what we can conclude that it is a graphical representation of that how the resource get allocated. Means it is a graph which shows that which resources is allocated to which process and which process is waiting for which process. Okay, so in graph there should be vertex and edges. So let me draw this. There should be an vertex, there should be an vertex and edges like this. Means this is the edges and this is the vertexes. So okay, so there is two type of vertices. One is vertex for process and one is for resource. So process will be shown in circle, and resource will be shown in rectangle. In the graph, process will be shown in circle and resource will be shown in rectangle. There is more than one instances of resources. There is not only one resource or one resource, but there are many instances of resources. So okay, let me clear the screen. So what do you mean by instance? So instance of an resource means what? You have two printer of same quality, okay, connected to computer. So if somebody is waiting for the printer, any of two printers can be given to that fellow, given to that user. So we will not say that we have two resources, we will say that resource is same, that is printer, but we have two printers of the same type, means two instances of the same resource. So this is what the instance means. So instance means, so there are two types of resources possible. So resources possible. So here resources, two types of resources possible. One type means one can have only a single instance and one can have multiple instances and number of instances. So instance is denoted by dot. Instance is denoted by a dot like this. Instance is denoted by a dot. So there are two types of edges also in the graph. We also there are two types of vertices, that is for process circle, for resource rectangle. But there are also two types of edges in graph we have, that they are request edge and the allocation edge. One is the request edge and another is the allocation edge. Allocation edge. So request is from process to resource. Let's say also, let me write there. Resource is from process to resource. Request is from process to resource, but this is not the same case with the allocation. Allocation happens from an instance of a resource, not from a resource, instance of a resource to a process. So this is about the how the graph, what are the terminologies of graphs. So let's make the graph. And also this resource allocation graph is directed. It is not an undirected graph. Directed means the action will be given. This is normal. We are always everyone knows that. Let's say vertex. Okay, let's say this. Let's take the summary. Vertex we have of two types: process and resource. Process shown in circle and resource shown in rectangle. And in the resource we have two types, in which in one type we have single instance, in other type we have n number of instances, means the multiple instance. And so we also have two types of edges. One is for two types of edges we have. One is for request, and another one is for allocation. Request happens from process to resource, and allocation happens from instance to process. Remember, not from resource to process, an instance of a resource to a process. It is important to note it down. It is from an instance of a resource to process, not from resource to process. So this is about the resource allocation graph. So in the next video we will take an example of this. So bye bye.